Hello friends, good day and welcome back once again. With no doubt, seed airdrop just listed right now with amazing price. Okay, with an amazing price. We're expecting it to be better, although this price is the best. Okay, they listed initially at the price of 0.7, but now it's around 0.133. Okay, so in this video is the step-by-step guides to withdraw your seed to your Sui wallet or any of the wallet of your choice. All you need to do is to watch the video till the end, and if the first time welcome to my channel, consider subscribing for more videos. Before we move on, it is important to have gas fee, which is Sui gas fee of at least 0.01 watt of Sui. As you can see, I already got that here, and the next thing I'm going to do now is to come back. Then if you look at the bottom of the screen, you'll see apps. Okay, so you click on it, which is apps. The next thing I'm going to do now is you see search bar here. Do you see it now? Then you enter it. After entering the search bar, you are going to copy the link of playseedgo.com, and to get it is simple. If you go to your Telegram, then you open your seed airdrop. Okay, let me do it very fast. After opening your seed airdrop, then you click on start adventure, you click on airdrop there, then you click on check your airdrop, click on dashboard. It will take you to this place, which is seed.go. Then you're going to click on that link up there and click on copy. As you can see, I've copied the link now. Then I'm going to come here and paste the link we just copied, and it will just open and take us to this place. So guys, it has opened now. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on three lines at the left top corner of the screen. Then you are going to see dashboard, click on dashboard. Okay, then the next thing is to click on this Telegram sign so that you can have your account connected. Make sure you are on the Telegram account you use to mine your seed airdrop. Okay, so let's click on login. Okay, so guys, after connecting your Telegram, you can see that it has connected here. Okay, and you also see your Sui to be connected here. The next thing now is you scroll down a little bit, then you will see transfer. Okay, and you will see asset here. So the most important thing is to make sure the spending should be at the top while the wallet should be at the bottom. I think you understand that. And you should also have your Sui gas fee to be showing down there, because if we come to this place now and want to enter the amount, you see the Sui gas fee. So when you are here now, it is on spending now, and on that spending you are going to select your Sui. Okay, so it is important you see your gas fee. You can see that my Sui gas fee is available here. Just see there, it is 0.01 watt of Sui. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to click on the two arrows here so that the spending can be at the top and wallet should be at the bottom. You understand? When you are done with that, then you come to the asset here and you now click on the arrow there. So guys, you know the problem we're having now. Let me show you. Problem number one, if we scroll down, you can see that under spending account, you can see spending account now, and you can see seed. Do you understand now? You can see seed, which is the one we need. As you can see, I have a 20 watt of seed now. But if we come to this spending account now and we click on it, it's only slow seed moons and moon boxes that is here. There is no seed. So this is the problem we're having. Whenever this thing happen like this, it might happen that maybe it's their strategy to delay people so that the price can reduce or things like that. So we patiently wait until they now open seed to be available here. When it is available, then we'll now click it and we withdraw to the wallet. Okay, when we withdraw to the wallet, we can now go to our Sui wallet and check it out there. That is, if we come to our Sui wallet now, we can now see this thing, the seed we deposit to be under asset here. You understand? Or whenever you want to send, if you click on send, then you click on this Sui, then you are going to see others. I think you understand now. You are going to see others other assets, including the seed that you just transfer to the wallet here. But for now, it is not available. Let us patiently wait and see what will happen later. So that is it, and this is what I have for you at the moment. If you find this video interesting, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.